Hi there. While Instagram does offer some basic metrics regarding business profiles, the reporting is missing one pretty important metric, and that's historic follower count. Now this is a really awesome feature in Datadog, and we can actually start reporting on this metric with just a few clicks. Today, I'm going to show you how you can easily use Datadog to track your Instagram follower count over time in a Google Data Studio dashboard. Let's jump right in. To create our Instagram source, first we'll click on Sources and then go to New Sources and search for Instagram Business. Once you're here, you'll see that our Instagram account has already been authorized and we can select the correct Instagram page. Now we can select some attributes. We can click to add or remove attributes or just go with the recommended default metrics. Now we can name our source so it's easy to identify later. From here, we can select whether we want to output our data to a dashboarding tool or a data warehouse. For this case, we're going to go with a dashboard since I want to use Google Data Studio to visualize this data. Now that we're on the snapshotting page, we can select the frequency that we want our data snapshots to be taken at. You can go with daily, weekly, or monthly. Enterprise plans can even do hourly syncs. We can select what time the snapshots will be taken and whether the data will append or replace the data in our dashboard. We'll use append since we want to build a record of this data over time. Now we'll just click on Preview and we can see that our source results in the data set that we were looking for. We'll save the source and add it to a data flow. Now that I've got the Instagram source loaded to our flow, we'll select Google Data Studio as the destination for our data, and then move on to the flow configuration. We'll label the flow and then move on to the dashboard connection guide. Since we're using Google Data Studio, click on the blue link, and then we're going to just copy and paste our API key and our endpoint ID from Datadog to complete the connection. Now we'll click Connect. And here we can see that the data has been loaded into Google Data Studio, and we can add it to a report. And then on the right side, we'll set the date range dimension and dimension both to date. Then we'll set the metrics to follower count. We can add a quick graphic here. And we can see that there's just 1 day's worth of data from yesterday because our historic Instagram data hasn't been saved anywhere yet. Now that's one of the great things about Datadog. Just like that, now our system will continue to extract your Instagram data every day and your dashboard will continue to update and build a report of your historic follower count over time. And it only took us a couple of minutes.